A Valley man goes to court today accused of robbing a woman and then killing her by running her over with his car. It happened Saturday in Glendale near 59th Avenue and Deer Valley Road. And Andrew Christensen is live with more tonight. Andrew.
Well, what a sad situation. When I was talking to neighbors about it, they were really shocked to hear what happened, and they pointed something out to me. It's that stain right there in the street. That's where they said hazmat cleaned away the woman's blood. Well, the suspect's name is Ali Hcaimi, and he's a part of two cases. In one case, he is facing charges for robbery and also first-degree murder. In the other case, he is facing separate robbery charges for a total of three charges.
They were cleaning up some blood over here.
That's how neighbor Mike Vespoli describes the scene when police were there Saturday afternoon.
Must have been 10 to 12 police officers. More came as time went on.
Prosecutors say Ali Hcaimi robbed an elderly couple, attempting to take the woman's purse and in the process running her over with a car.
He ran over the elderly female victim in front of her husband, who had to witness this event. The Form 4 details, he ran her over from head to toe. There were tire marks on her head.
Vespoli says his neighbors had just moved away to Florida.
Very quiet, very nice neighbors.
But seem to be back to move more things.
They have not been here recently. They're here off and on to pick things up, maybe spend a night.
Just 5 days earlier, the prosecutor says Hchaimi followed an elderly woman home from a bank. That happened after he saw her withdrawing $5,000 in cash. He pushed her and took her purse, which had medication that is critical to her health, getting rid of them.
The defendant is an extreme danger to the community. He engaged in a string of robberies, two at least, where he preyed upon elderly victims.
Hchaimi asked for house arrest because he alleges he has psychological issues. The judge dismissed his request and set his bail at $1.25 million in all cash for the robbery and murder case and mandatory electronic monitoring. For the case involving the other robbery, his bail is set in all cash at $50,000.
It's concerning. Something like that happens in the neighborhood.
And Hchaimi is expected to be back in court on June 26. When we get more details, of course, we're going to update you on air and online at fox10phoenix.com. Reporting live in Glendale, Andrew Christensen, Fox 10 News.